Hello, dedicated genealogists and educators. I'm Coach Carol, and today I'm thrilled to introduce another GPT, a groundbreaking tool that's set to transform how you can teach genealogy. The GPT-10, the Genealogy Course Designer. This is the final in my set of 10 little GPTs for genealogists, and you can find out more about these at my blog at coachcarolonline.com. GPT-10 is not just a tool, it's an AI-powered mentor designed to assist both the novice and experienced educators in creating comprehensive, engaging genealogy courses. This might appeal to you if you're already a seasoned genealogist and you have lots to share. Have you considered becoming a genealogy educator? So whether you're looking to share your expertise with a broader audience or build a structured learning path for your genealogy club or society, GP10 is here to guide you. It has an intuitive design and advanced AI capabilities. GP10 can help you craft your course outlines, develop educational content, and even suggest resources and activities to make learning about genealogy interactive and fun. Let's have a look at my GPT-10. We're over here in my chatgpt 4 account where you can see my GPT-10 on the screen. And it is designed as an enhanced guide for creating genealogy courses on Thinkific, the learning management system, but it will work for any learning management system or any style of courseware that you want to develop. It includes guidance on planning your courses, focusing on the creation of modules and lessons, using a video tutorial approach, complemented with activities and case studies. I'm continually adding to this because this is my main GPT that I use to develop the courses in my academy at the Preserving Family History Academy. It has the 4 standard questions, as you've noted in each of the other GPTs, and I can also edit it to improve it continuously, and I can copy the link to provide for you at the end of this tutorial. Let's have a look at some of the questions, such as how can I integrate AI tools in planning my genealogy course? Or what are innovative ways to teach genealogy? Or suggest a module outline for a genealogy course? Or what are some tips for writing about family history using AI? Let's dig into the first one. How can I integrate AI tools in planning my course? It stops to think for a while and then comes up with a whole set of really well thought out concepts for you to consider, in this case, in planning. So we'll give it a few moments. You'll see it's working at lightning speed. And of course, the topic of AI is on everyone's lips at the moment in the genealogy field. It's causing quite a stir. Even now down to the implementation steps about identifying the right tool, having a pilot, training yourself and your learners, and iterate and expand. So let's have a look back at what it's suggesting here. How can I integrate AI tools in planning my course? So first of all, content customization and personalization. I use this GPT frequently for that very reason, because it can come up with a whole range of different things that will suit people's learning styles. It will even choose for you or suggest interactive learning experience. So having chatbots on the site might be one way to intrigue the learners. Simulations and virtual environments could be another way. Some of these are out of my comfort zone, but nevertheless give me ideas. If your course has assessment, you might use AI to help you with your automated grading and with personalised feedback for your students. This one I think is the most important part, where it can help you generate content and curate it for you. So AI generated content can help you establish your learning materials, such as summaries, case studies, or even genealogical stories based on historical data. For your curated resources, you might implement AI to curate and recommend external resources like research papers, databases, and tools that are most relevant to the learner's interests and level of expertise. Number 5 is where you can enhance your research with AI using genealogical data analysis. AI and DNA analysis is another point that it is recommending. Course design and management. You could use AI for course optimization. That is, analyze your course engagement and performance data, find out what people are looking for, and speak directly to an audience of your choosing. Content accessibility. You can employ AI to ensure that your content is accessible, including automatic transcription of video content, translation into different languages, and adaptation for various learning disabilities. And then the implementation steps that we looked at. That is a very comprehensive way in which this mentor has provided me with an answer to how can I integrate AI tools in planning my course. I've been doing a bit of work with this GPT today, and I started off here with a plan for a course that involves AI tools. You scroll to the top for the prompt. So in this case, if my plan was to create a short self-paced course in Thinkific, which provides a quick overview of the AI tools we can use in our genealogy journey, please generate a course outline for 4 modules, each with 3 lessons, with engaging module titles and lesson titles. This is where GPT-10 is at its best. It has come back now with a set of 4 modules, each including 3 lessons as required, and each with engaging titles. So module 1 will be Introduction to AI Genealogy. Lesson 1 will be the rise of AI in historical research. Lesson 2 will be Understanding AI Tools for Genealogy. And Lesson 3, Ethics and Privacy in AI-Assisted Research. These are the sorts of lessons that you might expect to find in online courses of your choice. As you are developing this course, it is giving you now an outline to make sure that it meets with those expectations of your audience. Module 2 is all about navigating AI tools for data analysis. Lesson 1, AI for document analysis and transcription. Lesson 2, enhancing genealogical research with data mining. And Lesson 3, visualizing ancestral data with AI. Module 3 is all about enhancing genealogical records, such as restoring old photographs, converting speech to text, or digitizing archiving with AI. And Module 4 is all about advanced applications of AI in genealogy, predictive analysis, AI-generated simulations, and the future of AI in genealogy. That is exactly what I would like to design now from this great outline that my GPT has provided for me. that's a very specific need and one that's applicable to me. What if yours is more about your expertise in genealogy? Let's have a look at this one. In this one, I prompted just for a module outline for a genealogy course, gave it no other instruction or prompting, and it came back with a suitable outline for a course on genealogy that covered the basics that we would normally expect: an introduction to genealogy, research strategies, utilizing technology and genealogy, analyzing and solving genealogical problems, preserving and sharing your genealogy, and in each case gave a set of lessons with objectives, video content, and activity. So just with this alone, you could begin planning out your course for genealogy. What I would normally do as I'm starting this process is to copy this information. So you just go to the bottom of this response and copy it and place it in a Google Doc. So I'm just going to show you an example here. This is the one that I used for the course that I have going called ChatGPT for Genealogists. And in this document, I've listed the modules and the lessons. And then descriptions of each of the lessons within the modules. So I've got the text all ready to go. And most of that was created by using my GPT. Just pause here for a moment. I wanted to share with you one more way in which GPT-10 has been an enormous help, a great mentor to help design not just the course content, but my onboard sequence of welcome emails for those who delve into my academy. So my prompt here was the fact that I'm focused on onboarding customer journey for my Thinkific Academy. Please create a set of 6 topics for the welcome series of emails that will be sent to those who visit, sign up and enroll. And you might see some of these if you enroll in the future. These are new, and I'm adding these now as automated emails that go out for people who've expressed interest. So it suggests that the first email that they should get would be to welcome and introduce them to the Academy. It gives you the objective and the key points. Second email would be getting started with the genealogy, the first steps. Then perhaps navigating the Academy, tips and tricks. And number 4, diving deeper, advanced genealogy techniques, and so on. And it came up with 6 as I had asked for. And now I can put all of those into my automating program called Active Campaign, where these will go out automatically to people. So that's another really great way in which GPT-10 can help you with your course. Just want to take you across to a typical course for me in ChatGPT for Genealogy, which is inside my Thinkific Academy. And you're looking behind the scenes now. So in getting that module structure and lesson structure from AI, I can then set up my modules and the lessons within them. So for each of these modules, there are several lessons. This one that you're looking at here is a lesson called Setting Up ChatGPT, and I will just generate an image that helps visualize the steps involved in setting up ChatGPT, and then the text, which was sourced from AI assistance, is placed below it. And I can do that for a range of lessons, as you can see, along with ideas for a case study. This is one that you can view for yourself It's a free one, and this one enabled me to provide instructions for someone learning how to use ChatGPT for historical information. And this one is about a person called Mary Seacole, who was a nurse in the Crimean War. Gives them some details and some suggested prompts, how to prepare for the preparation, how to prepare for the project, an example of what they might put in place, what the project options and activities include, and a way in which they can practice using ChatGPT. Over in my academy, I have several courses that people can look at. I'll just scroll to the top of this so you can see some of these. All right, this is one that I'm building, Tech Tools for Genealogists. They vary in prices. These are bundles, so there's 3 courses there that might be of interest for you. It includes AI assistance. 2 more courses, this one focusing on the use of the weare.xyz platform for your family history archives. This bundle, which focuses on using AI tools to help with your writing, such as Devil Writer. Then there's my membership, where you can get access to all courses, and I think I have over 30 here now. And there'll be lots of free opportunities. There's lots of video tutorials for tips that you can log into here. And then if you're a beginner, you might start with my free 5-day challenge, Smart Genealogy Planner. Move on to how to organize your genealogy research. Move on to discover your roots. So this is at the base level. But coming back to my GPT and how it's helped me do all this, I think you'll see that for you, you might have some thoughts about how it could help you in developing a course that you might like to teach about your experiences in genealogy. It will provide tips on how you deliver your content effectively, whether it's through an online platform like Thinkific that I showed you, or perhaps it's just through in-person workshops that you run at your local society. Or it might be a hybrid model where you have a combination of both. It can help you ensure that your course reaches and resonates with genealogists everywhere. In my case, most of them are self-paced and can be applied for anyone, anywhere in the world. So imagine the satisfaction of seeing your students uncover their family histories, armed with their knowledge and skills that you've imparted, all thanks to the seamless support of GPT-10. So are you ready to elevate your genealogy teaching journey? Stay tuned. We'll explore more features of the GPT-10 Genealogy Course Designer Mentor in the future. We are moving now at breakneck speed with the developments in GPT technology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on genealogy education and leveraging AI in your teaching. Let's innovate the way we share our passion for family history together. Thank you for watching.